Welcome back to Bike Lab, your ultimate source for everything on two wheels. Today, we dive into the 2025 KTM 450 SXF, a machine that has long dominated motocross circuits around the globe. With its factory-level DNA and race-winning pedigree, the 2025 model returns with updates that push the boundaries of performance, control, and rider confidence. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-throttle racer, this is one bike you'll want to know inside out. Engine and power, the beast within. At the heart of the 2025 KTM 450 SXF is the proven 450 cubic centimeters SOHC engine that continues to set benchmarks in the class. Producing a staggering 63 horsepower, it remains one of the lightest and most powerful engines in its category. The power delivery is smooth yet aggressive, with an updated engine mapping system that improves low-end torque without compromising top-end performance. Whether launching off the line or clearing massive triples, this motor delivers relentless acceleration and crisp throttle response. Chassis and frame, built to dominate. The KTM 450 SXF's frame receives subtle but meaningful revisions in 2025. The hydroformed, laser-cut, and robot-welded frame remains ultra-lightweight but now features revised rigidity characteristics for better feedback under high-load conditions. This results in improved cornering precision and reduced rider fatigue over long motos. KTM sticks with its composite subframe design, a hybrid of aluminum and polyamide, which keeps weight down while improving strength and flex where it counts. Suspension, race-ready precision. KTM's partnership with WP Suspension continues to pay dividends. The 2025 450 SXF comes equipped with WP Zact AR48 forks and an updated WP Zact rear shock. The front fork now features revised internals that improve initial stroke sensitivity while minimizing bottoming on big hits. The rear shock benefits from a new valving setup, offering better traction and stability under hard acceleration. The end result is a suspension setup that feels more planted and responsive than ever, straight out of the box. Ergonomics and handling, rider-centric design. KTM has always prioritized rider ergonomics, and the 2025 model is no exception. The slim bodywork, flat seat profile, and strategically placed contact points make it easy for riders to move around and maintain control in all riding positions. A revised handlebar mount system now allows for finer tuning of bar positioning, catering to different rider preferences. Combined with its balanced chassis and low center of gravity, the 450 SXF continues to be one of the most agile machines in its class. Electronics, advanced but accessible. Modern motocross is as much about tech as it is about torque, and the KTM 450 SXF embraces this with an array of rider aids. The 2025 model features a switchable 2-map system, traction control, and launch control, all easily accessible via the handlebar-mounted switchgear. KTM has refined these systems for more intuitive engagement and improved real-world benefits. Whether you need maximum grip on a slick track or an explosive start off the gate, these tools give you a competitive edge. Brakes and wheels, stopping power and durability. The braking system remains world-class, featuring Brembo calipers gripping large wave rotors front and rear. Brake feel is sharp and consistent, giving riders the confidence to brake later and harder. The 2025 model also features updated spoke nipples and hub materials, increasing wheel strength while reducing rotational mass. Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires come as standard, offering excellent grip and durability for a wide range of track conditions. Maintenance and reliability, race-ready, all season long. KTM continues to make maintenance easier with toolless air filter access, straightforward valve checks, and a well-thought-out layout for quick adjustments. The 2025 SXF also benefits from upgraded components like reinforced engine cases and improved wiring harness protection, key details that enhance long-term reliability without adding unnecessary weight. What's new for 2025? So what truly sets the 2025 KTM 450 SXF apart from its predecessor? While the overall platform remains familiar, refinements in engine mapping, suspension tuning, and frame rigidity deliver a noticeable difference in ride quality and performance. KTM also introduces a new graphics package with in-mold technology, giving the bike a fresh look that resists wear and tear even after multiple washes and race weekends. Verdict: still the bike to beat. With its blend of raw power, refined handling, and race-proven technology, the 2025 KTM 450 SXF maintains its position at the top of the motocross food chain. It's not just a bike built for champions, it is a champion. Whether you're aiming for local podiums or national glory, this machine is ready to take you there. Outro: subscribe to Bike Lab. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 KTM 450 SXF. If you're serious about motocross, this is one bike you can't ignore. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Bike Lab for more expert insights, ride reviews, and all things two wheels. Until next time, keep it pinned and stay safe out there.